Hey everybody, today I've got a 2019 Camaro SS and it's a 5-speed, 6-speed. So be sure it's in neutral and it's got push button start. So go ahead and push on the clutch, step on the brake, start it up. We're running, we're in neutral. So what we're going to do is wait till the dash warms up here. We're going to go ahead and dismiss that. So now we're on this screen, which is the speedometer. We're going to use these buttons on the steering wheel to scroll around. So I'm going to take and start scrolling down until we get right here at oil life remaining 2%. So now we're going to push the over button, and now we're here at the reset, and you press select. Oil life, are you sure you want to reset? Yes or no? You scroll up to yes, hit select, and the oil has now been reset. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. That's how you do a reminder light, oil change reminder light on a 2019 Camaro SS. Thanks a lot for watching.